Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Stock. I hope you're all doing well. It's been 3 weeks since the last video, so we are due for an update. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is a quick market update. We go over the highlights of companies that recently reported. Then we're going into the US and Canadian market, looking at the value stock, dividend stock, growth stock, and pricey ones there. So it's a short market update, and hopefully this will trigger an interest in what will be your next stock that you might consider in your portfolio. All right, so let's start with the highlights. And in this highlights, it's 8 companies, and all of them have high sales growth. So it's kind of interesting. So let's start with Nvidia, of course. 265% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $636, but they're trading higher than that. And they have a very high price-to-sales ratio, so be aware of that. Rivian reported 98% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been lowered to $34, but there is still a good upside for Rivian. And Rivian is also soon going to present their new R2 model, March 7th, and let's see how the market reacts to that information. HDFC Bank reported a 59% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $107, so there is a good upside for HDFC Bank. Coinbase reported 44% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $221, so there's an upside for Coinbase. All right, let's look at some other companies that recently reported. Cloudflare reported 32% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $71, and they're trading a bit higher than that at the moment. Eli Lilly reported 28% year-over-year sales growth, and target price for them has been increased to $532, and they're trading higher than that. Doordash reported 27% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $102, and they're trading higher than that at the moment. Datadog reported 26% year-over-year sales growth, and target price for them has been increased to $103, but they also are trading higher than that at the moment. All right, that was the highlights for this time around. Now we're going to go into the regular reporting where we look at the top 3 in each category. Start with the US market and the value stocks there. Top 3 are JP Morgan, Exxon Mobil, and Tencent. So all 3 have high market cap and low price to earning ratios. And this becomes more stable companies for you to consider in your portfolio. If you want dividends, the top 3 in the US are Verizon, AT&T, and 3M. Walgreens is out from top 3. Now, the growth category is more a relationship between sales growth versus stock price growth. So whenever the delta is the biggest, they will end up here. So the top 3 are Rivian, Li Auto, and NIO. Now, Li Auto and NIO is soon going to report. We shall see if they will retain their positions here. Rivian that recently reported, as you saw, they have a high sales growth, but the stock price has been going down lately, and that's the reason they are here. When we look at the reverse order, which is the pricey ones, here we are also penalizing very high price to sale ratios. So the top 3 here are CrowdStrike, Snowflake, and Broadcom. Coinbase, who was in this list, and Uber, they are out from top 3. All right, that's the US market. Let's dive into the Canadian market and the top 3 value stocks there. Royal Bank, TD Bank, and Canadian National Resources. The dividends in the Canadian market, Tourmaline Oil, Enbridge, and BCE, Algonquin Power and Utilities, is out from top 3. The growth one in the Canadian market, Baytex Energy, RB Global, and Boralex. First Quantum is out from top 3. Some of these companies are soon going to report, and we shall see if there will be a reshuffle in the next video. Pricey ones in the Canadian market, Power Corp, Onyx, and TELUS International. Great West Lifeco is out from the top 3 following their report. All right, this concludes the report for this time around. If you like those videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, hopefully in 2 or 3 weeks' time. Meanwhile, you can follow me on X, NextStockYT, where I will post whenever there is some interesting news from some of the stocks. Always gather a lot of information before jumping ahead purchasing stocks. All right, until next time, bye-bye.